This is Olubodun Akiremi from Lagos, Nigeria. In the current economic recession, MMM has come to the aid of the ordinary people under economic pressure. At this juncture, we shall be looking at MMM ideology, how it works, MMM rules and regulations, benefits of MMM. MMM ideology. We live in a money world, a world where the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, hence the emergence of MMM, to create a balance in the unjust and unfair financial world. What is MMM? MMM stands for Mavrodi Mundial Movement. It is a mutual aid social financial community where participants make voluntary financial donations to help each other. Have you ever wondered why bankers work less and earn more? The simple reason is because bankers have access to money, they have got power over money, and are well connected in the society than the ordinary masses without connections or access to money. It has also been argued if money is a measure of labor. Obviously, the answer is no. It is most evident where you see laborers directly involved in hard work and yet earn peanuts, whereas you see a few people occupying strategic positions and earning so much without actually contributing anything commensurate. MMM therefore believes that the unfair distribution of wealth can be changed, as it is not a natural cause for some people to be super rich and others super poor. The ideology of MMM is basically to create a society where everyone has access to money, to create a world with financial freedom, financial apocalypse. How it works. It is without doubt that most financial institutions in the world today run a pyramid system. Financial institutions like banks, insurance, and pensions. However, these financial institutions never openly accept this phenomenon. Perhaps MMM is the only financial system in the world to publicly admit it runs a pyramid scheme. What is a pyramid system? A pyramid system is one in which the latter is paid for by the former, previous paid for by the subsequent. Example: Man A with a spare $1,000 provided help of the same amount, $1,000 worth of Mavro virtual currency, which starts growing immediately. Man B, having provided help for over a month, requests help which is inclusive of 30% increments and gets matched with Man A and possibly more. Finally, Man B confirms payment receipts after payments have been made by Man A and possibly others. When an individual registers on the MMM online platform, a personal office is set up in the process, from where such participants provide help to get to others and get help in return. Rules of MMM. Participants are entitled only to a single account. Multiple accounts are therefore prohibited and can attract eviction from the system. Participants are advised to participate only with spare money. There are no legal guarantees for participants' donations. However, there are measures put in place to safeguard donations from loss. Benefits of MMM. The MMM system is highly transparent. There is 30% monthly growth rate on donations. Registration bonus from $20 to $100 depending on the amount of donation. 10% referral bonus from invites. 5%, 3%, 1%, and so on leader bonus. which is a multi-level bonus according to the downline levels involved. This is an example of the manager's bonus or leader bonus. 5% are available from the first level participants' donations, 3% at the second level, 1% at the third level, and so on. The MMM community was conceived and birthed by Sergey Mavrodi, an adept programmer and mathematician. He is also the founder of a leading computer distribution company in Russia. He does literary works that have been published and video captions. Long live MMM.